Well, it's something like a Monday or maybe like a Tuesday. Really? I don't even know. Yeah, I went and tried to tell her that I love her, and she told me you can find your way to the friend zone. It's whatever. I don't even care anymore. I just really want to be alone. My best friend keep on blowing up my phone trying to ask me if I'm good, man. What do you think? I mean, really, if I'm trying to be real, then I already know what it is. The best thing you could ever want to wish for at the best time of the year. National Friends Day. I'm as green as I wanna be, cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine, I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still tell me take a hand, why we even turning up? You remember what the day is? Yeah, it's National Friends Day, yeah. National FRIENDS, National Friends Day, yeah. Is it really who we are? Is it really who I am? Is it really who you... Is it really about the green squares, dumb? I don't even wanna talk, I don't even wanna text. I just really want your best, something more but nothing less. All the stuff come from the chest, so I keep a vest on, trying to keep me in the zone. Man, I feel so home alone, swear my heart is hella broken, but I swear I play it cool. Love the party, love the function, swear I'm looking like a fool. Well, whatever, I'ma do my own, yeah. Hey, swear I'm about to ghost, yeah. But I'm still here, cause hey, it's National Friends Day, National FRIENDS, National Friends Day, FRIENDS, Friends Day, FRIENDS, do I know? FRIENDS, friends.
But we wondered many a weary fit since days of old lang syne. We tried battled in the burn frame morning sun till dine, but seas between us braid heroic since days of old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And sure